Down to the courthouse on Thursday, March 27th, Marquise Conway, also known as Yella Beezy, appeared in a Dallas County court before Judge Gracie Lewis for a bond reduction hearing. He was arrested last week in a murder for hire plot against Melvin Noble, also known as rapper Mo3. His bond was initially set at $2 million, and he appeared to get that bond reduced. The court actually allowed testimony from both sides before deciding whether or not the bond would be reduced. The prosecution showed the videotape of Mo3 on I-35 in Dallas, pulling over on the freeway, exiting the driver's side, going over to the passenger side, and then running off. It shows the hitman pulling over in front of him, exiting his car in a mask, and shooting towards Mo3. Yella Beezy had his grandmother, nice touch, testifying on his behalf, saying that at one time he may have been able to afford a $2 million bond, but at this time, if he could afford it, he would have paid it and he would have already been out. Despite some rumors that he owns a bulletproof Denali and lives in a mansion here in Frisco. Ultimately, Judge Lewis did reduce his bond to $750,000, but with some strict guidelines that he can have no contact, whether direct or indirect, with any victim, witness, or co-defendant in the case. Judge Lewis did make a statement that the prosecution case lacked evidence, but she also admonished him, saying that her biggest consideration was the offense, the severity of the crime that he's been charged with, that it is a pretty egregious video to watch, which it is, but she also took into consideration the lack of evidence that the state has presented. Her other concern was the financial statement that he submitted to the court, and she felt like he didn't take it seriously, and in turn, she feels like he is not taking the allegations seriously. Do you think now that the bond has been significantly reduced that he'll be able to bond out? Second, what are your thoughts on the judge making a statement that she felt as if the state did not have enough evidence to hold him at the higher bond? That makes me think whether or not they have enough evidence to prove that he actually did hire the man that they already caught, who actually physically took the life of Melvin Noble. Let me know your thoughts below.